If you're tired of lag ruining your online gaming sessions, you already have a solution right under your nose. You likely have a router with a game-changing feature called QoS, or Quality of Service, that can prioritize your online gaming. This means others on the network can't interrupt your gaming sessions when streaming or downloading large files. So what is QoS and how does it work exactly? The answer is simpler than you think. On a network without QoS, every device is fighting for the same traffic, interrupting and slowing each other down because there's no order. But on a network with QoS, you can pick and choose which types of internet traffic have priority. If you can picture your internet connection as a highway, then QoS is the HOV or express lane. If you're mostly streaming and casually browsing the internet, QoS is not essential. But it is for gamers, especially since the tiniest delay can cause lag between the device and the game server. This downgrades the gaming experience, making it more likely to miss a shot in an FPS or miss time and input in a fighting game. However, with QoS, gamers can prioritize gaming traffic on the network. Your game packets jump to the front of the queue when the network gets busy, reducing lag. While this doesn't increase your total bandwidth, it does make your available bandwidth more efficient at handling what you care most about. So how do you turn on QoS? The first step is logging into your router via a web browser. Some routers offer QoS settings via their Android and iOS apps. There should be a sticker somewhere on your router with the IP address, login, and password. QoS settings vary by router and can go by different names such as QoS, traffic control, or device prioritization. If you're not sure, look up a guide online for your specific router. Within the QoS settings, you can choose to prioritize traffic by type, application, or device. If you are playing on a console, it's best to do it using the device's unique IP address. On the PS5, you can find this in your network settings. All you have to do is apply the setting and reboot the device and you're done. While QoS is great, you need a fast wired internet connection for optimal results. It should go without saying that a wired internet connection is always best for online gaming since it significantly reduces lag between a gaming device and the router. Having a connection of at least 50 megabits per second is best for online gaming, though more is always better. You should know that QoS can improve latency if the latency between your router and the game server is already bad. You can also experience higher latency during peak internet hours when usage is high, or if the game servers are congested due to high demand, which happens when the game is new or an expansion is launched. It's still worth configuring your QoS settings because doing so can make a huge difference in your online gaming experience.